Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create picture-in-picture videos by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Now tap on video and in here tap on new. Then select a video. And in here let's fix the canvas first. Now you guys can see this option PIP. It will bring the PIP in your video, and then I'm going to remove the background of this picture and I'm going to show the text. And now I'm going to add the animations in this picture. I'm going to add the animation at the outro also. And in here, let's tap on the check mark. And now, let's watch the video. Now it looks good. Let's bring another PIP. And this time I'm going to use filters on it. Simply tap on the filter and then you guys will find out a lot of filters here. Choose the filter that you want to add. And after that tap on the check mark. And now I'm going to use blends option here. For this tap on blend and then choose the blend option that you want to use. I'm going to use this one and then I'm going to extend it. Now I'm going to use animations here, and after that let's watch the video. Now you guys can see the differences after adding the PIP on this video. You guys can also do it in your video. So this is how you guys can create picture-in-picture videos using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.